बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम। इस वीडियो लेक्चर में हम फेडरल पब्लिक सर्विस कमीशन के थ्रू जो इंटेलिजेंस ऑफिसर इंस्पेक्टर कस्टम पेपर हेल्ड ऑन 22/4/2025 को हुआ था, इसके एमसीक्यूज को डिस्कस करेंगे। वीडियो लेक्चर बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट है, वीडियो को आखिरी तक लाजमी देखना। एंटोनिम ऑफ culprit is innocent. What is the antonym of blame? Blessing. The synonyms of impeccable is without mistakes. The synonyms of jeopardize is put at risk. The synonyms of secure is safe. Which one of the following is Sustainable Development Goal SDG target to be achieved by 2030? All of these. Jihad become obligatory in which Hijri? 2 Hijri. Doha Agreement was signed between United States and Afghanistan. Which is largest, longest and important river of Pakistan? Indus River. Which edition of SCO Summit being hosted by Pakistan in October 2024? 23. Which company uses chopstick arms to catch rockets? SpaceX. According to Labour Force Survey 2020 to 2021, total labor force in Pakistan is 71.76 million. The largest source of electricity generation in Pakistan is thermal. The shrine of Lal Shahbaz Qalandar is situated in Sevan Sharif. The Shimla Agreement was signed after which conflict? Indo-Pakistani War 1971. Pakistan won its first ever FIFA World Cup qualifier match against which country? Cambodia. Which flower is the national flower of Pakistan? Jasmine. Who was the first Pakistani to climb Mount Everest? Nazir Sabir. What is the result when you divided 75 by 5 and then add 10? 10, 25. What is the result when you divided 15 by 3 and then add 20? 25. 6 men can work in 10 hours. 4 men can do this work in dash hours. 15. The Ministry of Aviation in Pakistan was merged into which ministry? Ministry of Defence. The 2024 Nobel Prize in Economics was awarded to Simon Johnson, James Robinson and Darren Akagalo for the study of which of the following? How institutions are formed and effective prosperity. Which one can be used for creating a document? MS Word. DOGG is the organization of which country? United States. How many countries are there in South Asia? 8. Pakistan successfully tested 5 nuclear devices at Chagi on 28 May 1998. What is the installed electricity generation capacity of Pakistan as of March 2024? 42,131 मेगावाट. Hajj is not completed unless you go to Arafat. Pakistan is located in South Asia. Who was the first president of Pakistan? Iskandar Mirza. Who was the Prime Minister of Pakistan during the enforcement of first Constitution in 1956? Chaudhry Muhammad Ali. What is the function of the caps lock key? its capillaries are later until turn off. When was DeepSeek launched? मई 2023. When first satellite Badr 1 was launched into space? 16 जुलाई 1990. Whom did Donald Trump defeat in the 2024 US presidential election? Kamala Harris. Donald Trump became dash president of the United States of America 45 और 47. She wished she dash the new car had bought. Who is the author of the book Why Nations Fail? Darren Acogalo and James A. Robinson. Which has been the hottest year on the earth so far? Year 2024. Why did John Hopfield receive the Nobel Prize in 2024 for contribution to neural networks and computational neuroscience? Who was the first female judge of a high court in Pakistan? Justice Mujahida Rizvi. HEC Higher Education Commission was established in 2002. If the ratio of boys to girls in 2:3 and there are 12 boys, how many girls are there? 18. If the ratio of boys to girls 2:3 and there are 12 boys, how many girls are there? 6. What is the meaning of the number 10, 16, 20 and 22? 17. What is 120% of 40? 48. What percent of 90 is 8? 8.89%. What does PSDP stands for? Public Sector Development Program. Which sector is the largest contributor to Pakistan GDP? Services. What was Pakistan per capita income in fiscal year 2023 to 2024? $1,680. NVIDIA is famous for GPUs. Voice recording is done by microphone. Which of the following is the key to close or run dialog box in the window? ESC. Schedule event in MS Outlook by calendar. MS PowerPoint is used for presentation. Mouse is used for selecting and pointing. In which Hijri Ghazwa-e Khyber was fought? 7 Hijri. Battle of Khandak was fought in 5 Hijri. The Battle of Ohd was fought in which Hijri? 3 Hijri. Ghazwa-e Badr occurred in which Hijra? 2nd. 2. Fasting was made obligatory in 10 Shaban 2 at which Uqayyan Salat became obligation farz? Miraj. What is the name of current Crown Prince of Saudi Arabia? Mohammed bin Salman. Which organization represents South Asian nations? SAARC. The war between Ukraine and Russia started on which date? 24 February 2022. Who became first women foreign minister in the history of Pakistan? Hina Rabbani Khar. When Pakistan officially joined United Nations Organization UNO? 30 September 1947. What is Pakistan's largest stock exchange? Karachi Stock Exchange. Shandur Pass connects with which of the following? Chitral with Gilgit. What is the end point of the CPEC China-Pakistan Economic Corridor route? Gwadar. Desert of Thar lies in the province of Sindh. What is the length of coastline of Pakistan? 1058 kilometer. When was FATA merged into Khyber Pakhtunkhwa KBK? 2018 Tarbela Dam is built on which river? Indus River. The main memory of a computer can also be called all of these: primary memory, primary storage, internal memory. Nuclear energy is primarily produced from which element? Uranium. 1 unit bill was passed in which year? 1955. King Charles has been diagnosed with which disease? Cancer. Arafat is gathering is held on Nozilhaj, which is an extremely important and precise surah on the oneness of God. Surah Ikhlas. Diskette is also known as floppy disk. Computer memory that needs its data to be refreshed, otherwise it loses data, is DRAM. Who is known as the father of computer? Charles Babbage. A computer cannot function without operating system. When did Sheikh Hasina resign and move to India? 5 अगस्त 2024. Where IMF headquarters located? Washington. Where is the headquarters of African Union AU located? Addis Ababa, Ethiopia. Who is the current emperor of Japan? Naruto. What is the number of permanent members of UN Security Council? 5. How many member countries are there in BRICS grouping? 10. Which country is known as land of rising sun? Japan. What is the capital of Norway? Oslo. Thanks for watching. Ready for exam.